May nabasa kasi ko. Sabi, okay lang daw yung mabula ang inyong concentrates, no, yung mga oil. So this one was given to me by a friend for more than 7 months ago. Nakatago lang siya. I try it. Sinubukan ko. Okay naman. See? Hindi darkened yung oil. Hindi masyadong darkened. This is more than 7 months. At walang masyadong bula. Ayun, meron siguro sa taas isa. Pero walang bula. This one is older than this one. See? Hindi masyadong dark yung hindi sunog na sunog. This one is almost 10 months old. Ito yung pinakabago. I'm sorry, nabasa ko kasi. Sobrang kasabugan na yan. Walang bula. So may nagbibenta kasi ng fake na cards online na ginajustify niya na sobrang dami ng bula ng kanyang oil. So here's the sample. Here's the proof. More than 7 months. Almost 11 months na ate. So I really don't smoke cards nowadays. I just do analog. So ayan. Kita nyo naman, walang bula. So stop buying fake shits, bro. At delikado sa katawan niya, lalo yung mga China, dahil spice ang nilalagay nila dyan. So this one are all authentic. Ang tagal na nito. Ito pinakamatagal. Yung mag-isang taon na. And I still use this once in a while. But sabi ko nga, I smoke before I go out. So hindi ko na kailangan sumindi sa labas. Kita nyo to? Bago lang ito nabasa ko eh. Sobrang sabog ako. So nilagyan ko ng tape. No? And this one is all 7 months, almost 8 months. See? You can actually clearly see the other on the other side. So. Nope. Hindi po ganun. Hindi normal na may bula yung inyong mga concentrates. So stop justifying fake shits, okay? Do not buy fakes.